Hi viewers, Rika Nikai, 27, a former member of NGT 48 who announced her marriage in March this year, revealed on Instagram on the 21st that she is pregnant. Nikai announced her pregnancy on late night TV show and also Instagram, saying, "I am happy to announce that I will be blessed with my first child. We are now in the stable period and although we are still confused by this new experience, both father and mother and child are spending their days peacefully, feeling great happiness and emotion at the new little life we have been blessed with." She wrote about her current feeling. "I am very happy." If you want more information about this topic, then stay tuned with my channel and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.